This is a question on CRO, and we have to always remember that the vertical axis of CRO display is about the voltage, and the horizontal axis on the CRO display is about time. We call it time based. So in this case, if we are given a Y gain, which is 3 volts for every division, so every one box here vertically means 3 volts. Time base is at 5 milliseconds per division. Every horizontal box here is 5 milliseconds. So peak voltage of this AC will be the amplitude of the wave, and therefore with 3 volts per division, we are looking at 1 and 2. The 2 division, we get 6 volts. The period of the AC, look for one cycle. One complete cycle starts from here and ends here. So we're looking at 4 boxes horizontally. 4 boxes, 4 division. Each division represents 5 milliseconds. We're looking at 20 milliseconds. To convert period to frequency, remember the formula F equals 1 over T. Be very careful about the millisecond, and you will get 50 Hertz. Now in part B, if we have the same input but we adjust the Y gain and time base, this will be the answer. So now we are using 1, 2, and 3 vertical boxes, and each box and each division represents 2 volts. That's how you can get back the same 6 volts as before. And one cycle now takes 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 4, 8 divisions horizontally for one cycle on the time base. So 8 division with each division represents 2.5. That get us 20 milliseconds. That's how you can get back the same period as before. Now in part 2, once if we have a peak voltage of 4 volts, we're looking at this graph, the red graph, where vertically we use 2 division to represent. Each division represents again 2 volt, and frequency of 100 hertz. When you convert to period, 1 over 100 hertz gets us 10 milliseconds as a period. So one cycle takes us 10 milliseconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horizontal boxes. With each box represent 2.5 milliseconds. We are getting 10 milliseconds as the period, which is the time taken for one cycle. Then in part C, when you look at the first graph over here, we see that you can see that there is a changing value horizontally. This means that the time base is on. Because horizontally there is a difference in value, means the time base setting is on. Now vertically the value remains at the same value vertically. This means that the voltage remains at the same value. It must mean that this voltage source doesn't change, it's a DC. Now on the other hand, over here we can see that vertically the voltage reading changes from a maximum positive value to 0 to a minimal negative value, and so on and so forth. So a changing voltage value means the voltage source is alternating. Now on the time base, we just see one reading just over here. It did not fluctuate left and right unlike before. So this means that the time base of the CRO must be switched off. No variety, no difference in the time reading.